What up, YouTube? So we're gonna be going over some, oh my God. What was that? We're still going. We're going over 7 apps that pay via PayPal. These are apps that cost no money to sign up for. You can get started with very quickly. I'm gonna be going over these 7 things. It's so easy. Some of these are like, you can play a game and make money via PayPal. You can take pictures and make money via PayPal. You can even watch videos online and get paid money via PayPal. So let's get in. I'm gonna show you everything right here on my computer of how it all works. Let's get it. Okay, so the first site here is called Feature Points. I'm gonna try to get my YouTube editor person to put it in the link in the description, but you can see it right here, featurepoints.com, right there, okay? And it is a site where you can get rewarded for doing surveys online, and you can get paid. Look at this. They pay you a couple different ways. You can get gift cards for all of your favorite stores. You can get gift cards for Steam fans here. Any gamers? Let me know what video game are you playing. You know, I'm looking for new RPGs to play on as a side note. So let me know. Witcher's getting old, and that you can get paid via PayPal right there. So you can get that money via PayPal for taking surveys, and it's good on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. Go download it. They've paid out over $5 million, almost $6 million, and they've been around for a while. So this is a great app to use, and there's a lot of stuff. Look at this. Complete surveys, earn points, answer questions, and get paid. Okay, do you own a dog? What car do you drive? Etc. So very easy. This next one is insane. I mean, the ways you can make money now are just so exciting. Now, what this one is, it's called apptrailers.com. And what you can get with this is you can get paid via PayPal for watching movie trailers. Yeah, I don't get it. You can watch movie trailers. Watch trailers of hot apps and get points. And what's even better, so you see right here, app trailers, you can see apptrailers.com right there, and it's on both the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. So no matter what kind of phone you have, it'll work. If you have a Microsoft phone, shame on you, okay? But that's basically how it works. Watch trailers of hot apps, collect reward points, and turn those reward points in for gift cards or for PayPal. So again, you can get that money via gift cards or PayPal money, okay? If you'd rather have it as an Amazon gift card, do whatever. Either way, it's your money. This next one is interesting, Manifest. Now what this is it's kind of like affiliate marketing for charities. So basically by spreading awareness about charities and helping charities raise money, you actually can get paid. Check this out. So it says withdraw instantly or donate to the cause. And it says withdraw to PayPal or donate to a charity of your choice. I know what I'm doing. As you see here, it's not as big of a site. You know, they haven't paid out as much as like Feature Points, for instance. Let's see right here, our users earned over $196,000. So you're not gonna become a millionaire doing this. In fact, there's thousands of people using it, probably aren't gonna make that much money doing this. And the other difficulty about this is that if your friends are broke and don't have money to donate, it might not work out. But maybe you have a lot of friends who are into charities or whatever and donating, and they're kind of like those social liberal people, and they want to just donate, and that's great. Then you can make money sharing causes with them. But once again, keep in mind that same as this and as well as a lot of these things are, you're not going to necessarily become a millionaire. These are very simple tasks. To become a millionaire, you have to do sales or marketing, which I teach in other videos on this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are interested in learning affiliate marketing. Give a big like for just ways that, you know, getting PayPal money if you're gonna do this. So the next tactic is called field agent. Now this one's kind of neat because, you know, field agent sounds kind of like secret agent, right? And you kind of are a secret agent in a sense. Now, if you check out my computer right here, you see these kind of sneaky super agent glasses, and that's what you are. You are a mystery shopper, or what's called a secret shopper. And what you do, your job is to go in and take pictures of stores. Yeah, so you actually have to go into stores. This looks like a Trader Joe's, right? Or this, a Walmart. And you have to take pictures of other companies' packaging or brands or, their displays. Because what it is behind Field Agent at the very top are very big companies. They work with very big brands like Target or, Walmart, etc. And they want to get competitive intelligence on what their competitors' stores are doing. And you are the secret agent to take pictures of it, and you get paid for checking out and taking those pictures of the store. See, here's somebody, they get a picture inside a store of a sunblock right there. So the way you start this is you have to download the app, and you can start using, and they will pay you via either iPhone or Android device, and you could get paid via PayPal. Really fun stuff. I don't know if this is available in all countries, but the chance to be a secret agent, I mean, that sounds pretty cool, and get paid. Okay, so I'm gonna go through these last three ones pretty quick, but it's pretty fast to explain. They're so simple, but Ibotta is great because if you're already shopping online, then you can actually get cash back on your purchases. Okay, so this is kind of an obvious one. Instead of the credit card companies making money, you're just getting more cash back on your purchases, on things you're already spending money on. Play and win. This is literally a way you can make money playing games online and get paid via PayPal. So very easy. Again, you're not going to become a millionaire doing it, but you'll make money. And then BuzzBreak. BuzzBreak is you can get paid PayPal money for reading the news. I'm on the site right here. It's spelled Ibotta, right? Ibotta. And the way it works is just simple. You get cash back on everyday purchases. And really, all this app is, it's kind of like affiliate arbitrage. It's kind of like buying products through your own affiliate link, if you were to do that. I mean, you could buy products through your own affiliate link on Amazon and get 5% of that money back. So this is just a way for you to do that. They keep some of the money themselves, and they give you some of the money back for you. So easy way, usually works only for like, if you're buying, look, they're like diapers or stuff that's commonly available online. The next app is called Play and Win app, and as you see, it's available on Google Play and Apple Store, and you just download this game and you can make money. And you can see here all the winners right here. You see this guy earned $10 9 hours ago. This guy earned $10 19 hours ago.
This is amazing to be a winner.
What did he say? He just said, "Hello, okay, it is so great to be a winner. Thank you." Wait, this is pretty funny.
Hi everyone, I just won $10 again. So I hope you will win too. Good luck.
Okay, so people are winning. People are winning $10. So you can make $10 winning this. It looks like a lot of people are doing this. I'm just gonna look at one more. This is hilarious.
You can win for $10. Mantap. Indonesia.
I don't understand what any of these people are saying, but they're winning, and they look happy, so that's great. Okay, they're getting money via PayPal. Now let's check out BuzzBreak News. And BuzzBreak, read the news, earn free cash. Pretty self-explanatory. Google Play, App Store. Download the app, and you can start reading news and making money. Woo! Yes! Okay, that is a lot of ways you can make money. If you are not making some internet money, if you're like, I can't make money on the internet, you're wrong. It's easy. So start doing it. You're not going to become a millionaire doing these methods. You want to become a millionaire? Join my money club. Right up next to the subscribe button. $50 a month, 2 times a month. You get to talk with me. You get a lot of my free trainings. But if you are interested in these, make sure you type in the comments which was the most interesting thing here, because I'm actually going to go deep. I'm going to download one of these, and I just want to see it for myself. So let me know which was the most interesting way of making money for you, because I'm actually going to try something out, and I want to see how much money I can make in an hour. So do this, let me know, subscribe to the channel, make some money, start your internet business, join the money club, set your mind free, stop being a slave to social media, quit your job, drop out of college, make money, and take back control of your life. I'll talk to you soon.